Welcome back to our course. We are in session 2, and in this video we are going to discuss normalization. So what is database normalization? So normalization should be part of any database design. So as the DBA or the data architect is going in, he or she should certainly take normalization into account. It is a part of the best practices of database design. However, it can be difficult to separate the normalization process from the ER modeling process. So the two techniques should be used concurrently. So obviously an enterprise model is not going to just appear already normalized. So as the enterprise is modeled relative to the entities, the relationships, when the data model is being developed, at the same time, that data architect or the person in the data architect role needs to take normalization into account. So the use of an entity relationship diagram, or ERD, will provide the big picture or that macro view of the enterprise data and the enterprise operation. This is created through an iterative process and involves identifying all of the relevant entities and their attributes and also their relationships. So normalization is a procedure that focuses on the characteristics of specific entities and represents the micro view of those entities within the ERD or entity relationship diagram. So normalization is that branch of relational theory that provides data insights. It is the process of determining how much redundancy exists in the data model or in the table itself. The goals of the normalization are to be able to characterize the level of redundancy in a relational schema and provide mechanisms for transforming the schemas in order to remove that redundancy. And if we haven't talked about it yet, just to review, a schema is the template for our data model. And there are typically considered to be 4 normalization forms. First normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and a variation of third normal form called Boyce-Codd normal form. In our next video, we are going to look at each of these normal forms.